Price is pushing off this order block right now. This is like a demand zone. It's pushing off. It looks like we have another order block here that price will push off again. We could definitely buy. Stops below here. About 14 pips. TP1 is this line up here. This is a 1 to about 8, 1 to 9. So hopping a buy for USD JPY. On the hour, price is very bullish. You have these two fair value gaps over here. This one that got inverted previously, and this one down here that got inverted as well. We rejected off this one, but price wasn't ready to move off that one. Now we push down into this one. Structure is bullish. And then if we zoom down to the 5-minute, out of that hour, you can see we got this nice run on price. 3 solid bullish candles creating a demand zone here, after which we came back, retraced, and pushed up again, breaking structure here, or you could say equal highs, whatever you want to call that. Liquidity. We got close to retesting this. Price looks like it's ready to move. So we in for buys down here. TP up here at this 1 hour imbalance over here. You have this huge imbalance. It looks like we'll come to fill here to here. Wait for price to come into here. And yeah, we can go from there. But I definitely like price buying up to that point. So we'll buy there on UJ. Well, let's see what else we got. Gold's kind of been playing around. Yesterday we called out a sell here. We came back and got hit a break even. We were playing off this order block here. Price bought up. It swept buy side liquidity. Look, I'll show you guys kind of what happened. The thing is, we are going down. It just wasn't ready. But you do see this inversion here that price did, and this order block. Before we entered this zone, we actually created liquidity here with this small push up. After which all the buyers got in. And then we swept that liquidity into this order block and pushed up and started to fill up this wick. When you see wicks like this, price will come back to fill these and just trade it in this area. Doesn't necessarily have to clear it completely, but it just needs to kind of trade up in there. And then price continues to fall down. So right now I'm being patient with gold. We have this 1 hour order block over here that looks pretty significant. Maybe we can get some buys off of here, especially with this wick that we have here. This could be your buy side liquidity. Price is coming to sweep it into this 1 hour order block. and we could buy off of this, probably to retrace this move here. But like I said, my overall for gold, I really want us to come down and get down to this area right here, where the monthly did not have a wick yet. The monthly doesn't have a wick yet for sellers. I think we can come and create that. So I'm overall bearish still until we get to this line and further. So that's gold. That's about all I have, honestly. Here's the trade. Yesterday, I mean, we broke down everything. DXY did exactly what we wanted. Let's see. Yesterday I said we are going to come up and sweep these equal highs right here. You can see price came up, swept it. I was hoping we would get into this 4-hour order block over here, but we just swept this. After sweeping, you can see we've had massive selling momentum. And what I saw after we swept this, you can see here we had an imbalance, a buying imbalance from here to here. This is imbalance right here. And we disrespected it here with this candle once we traded through it. So after that happened, price just continued down. And the reason this is a nice imbalance is because we did have rejection off of it. So price is showing some kind of bullish momentum out of here. And then with this disrespect, you can see that momentum's now changing. And we continue to break these imbalances on the way down, just disrespecting them. It broke that one as well. Broke both of these with this one candle. And we just continued down. So my overall target for DXY is these lows down here. So once we sleep those, I'm just bearish for right now. Just bearish. Yeah, we got a ways to go. This would be my first area for some buying to occur. So I want to see us get down there. Broke this. We broke this order block on the monthly. Came back, retested. Yeah, we're going to continue dumping this whole month. We got 6 days left. Yeah, we'll just continue dumping. So that means for UJ, we're going to go up. Or sorry, that would mean UJ would go down if DXY continues to dump. So be careful with your position. I mean, DXY could definitely come buy up, get this liquidity here. It's been settling down for a while. Or it even has this order block. We need to retrace. So it could be time for DXY to retrace. But you do have this beautiful order block here on the 1 hour. So I could see us come back up, tap into there, continue down. You got this 4 hour. Yeah, this 4 hour one's clean right here. We'll definitely come up, test this, and then continue down. So hold UJ. Buy it. Oil. Yesterday we talked about oil. Everything with Iran and everything is just making the market go crazy with oil. Any tweet Trump says, shit goes crazy. It's definitely time to buy oil. We now retraced the last video we talked about this imbalance that got inverted here. With this candle, we came back down, we're retesting. So I see gold or oil continuing up to clear this liquidity up here. So any oil buys you can find, this is no trade idea, but any oil buys you can find, buy that shit up. Yeah. Oh, yesterday we didn't get to go over cryptos, so I can go over cryptos with y'all, so y'all can see what's going on. We'll continue to monitor this trade as well while we're doing this. I'm not gonna be on for very much longer, so let's get into it. We'll do Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum run the same. Let me delete all this shit real quick. Can start on the monthly. You guys can really see what's going on here. Monthly time frame, as you can see from this order block right here that created this push down, prices now came back and retraced into this order block, after which it shows that it's strong by pushing down once, it comes back up, tests it again, and price really gets some momentum out of here. We get a strong order block here once price moves out like this. After we retest this, we do have this imbalance here that was left from here to here. The imbalance here. Price broke through, coming back to retest it now. So now that we're in here retesting, we can see the price is starting to, make a downtrend. So I see cryptos for long term, for a little while here, we're going to start going down. We're going to really start going down, especially with Trump tweeting about it. Oh man, you definitely want to sell when Trump says buy. He fucks the market. So anyways, but you could see when we did come in, tap into this area, we slept all this sell side liquidity here. High, low, just accumulating here. Then we get this big push up, sweep the sell side liquidity, and continue down to show the actual movement. Continuation, manipulation, distribution. Let's see. So, that being said, I feel like price, this is our structure point from here, 2877. Price won't come back up here. And so I feel like anywhere in between here, this is our discount zone. Anywhere above 50% discount zone, sell that shit. So anywhere above here, sell it. and then we can ride this down, and I'll let you guys know for buys. Go at least go clear this low right here. Yeah. So sell it out of this area above the 50. Take it down to here. We won't come back up to this to 2878. That's it, guys. UJ looks like it's coming to test this order block. Then we'll continue up. So yeah, we'll come test this order block, continue up. We'll stay on here for a second so we'll watch this together. Yeah, that's fire. I can definitely see us push out of here now. That's what I want to see. We're about to hit London session open too. Hopefully we can get some movement here. Hopefully we don't sweep Asian lows before taking off. Shit, that would suck. I like structure too much for it to sweep that. Looks too clean. Retesting the EMA on the hour. Yeah, I like it. Just hold it. Alright, guys. That's it. Join the Telegram if you want updates on this trade. Yeah, we'll go through it with y'all. But y'all see the outcome of all these, so make your own. I mean, gold's in here now. Like, look for buys on gold now. Make your own analysis here. Like, gonna get this move up here, at least to here. So look for buys out of here into there, and then continuous down there. We do have this area as well. I like this area for buys, and then come down to here, buy up a little more, continue down bearish. So we're coming down quick. Looks like we swept. I'm holding, guys. Hold with me. We're still testing off this one now. Looks like we swept liquidity here. Yeah. Hold. With these tight stop losses, you gotta hold, man. Just hold. Does look like we're gonna sweep that Asian low. It's okay. Hmm. Well, guys, if we do, we'll hit stops and we'll call it a night. Tomorrow we'll be back with it. But, I mean, anywhere until this line, you can look for buys anywhere. This thing will buy up. It will. It looks like it's just not ready yet. We didn't get the buy model and everything for a nice clean setup, but it is not ready to go yet, which is okay. Still holding though. And you do have a little 1 minute imbalance here. I don't know if it will hold. Right here. From there to there. Might hold, I don't know. Well, that guy gave us this big move up that broke structure. Maybe it does. Alright then. Check the Telegram. Stay educated. We out.